Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today on my platter I have king crab legs, lobster tail, shrimp, corn, mustard, potato, egg, and my favorite sauce and deck. My sauce came by the name of All Natural Candies. Challenge me to eat it all tonight. So tonight's the night for that, okay? Today I'm going to give my birthday shout out. It's a little bit special. It's my dad and my sister. Happy birthday, guys. I love you. Mwah, 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 mwah. And I also have a few birthday shout out to give. I'm going to put them on the screen for y'all. I love you guys. So guess what? Happy birthday. But now I'm going to stop saying that, okay? So I hope you guys enjoy your birthday. And my sister is looking for that birthday shout out. She is. Where should I start first? I'm not going to drink the juice tonight because I really want to eat it all tonight. Alright, on the sausage here. On the sauce. It's a flow tonight. Corn. These are tender. All that onion. Onions. Candies. Good night. We can't talk. If I talk, the food never done. Like a mini ASMR tonight, okay? Ooh. Going for the king crab leg, people. Candies, I know what I want to know. Rough. You're rough tonight, candies. Ooh. So tender. This sauce is so good. It's so good. I don't know why I can't cook so. I don't know why me alone can't cook so. This one is spicy. Juicy! Ooh. Next time. It's so good. Egg. The candies. Why rough? Rough bad. Ooh, the jalapeno. That hit different. Woo. Food for nice, but not so. Ooh. Whew. Listen. Oh my goodness. It's just too good. God has blessed me with talented hands. Yes, sir. He has. With a sense of taste. Anyone can cook so. Let me share it. Candies. I don't think today I'm gonna eat the potato. Not all this food. I will not attempt to eat that potato. No, 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 no. Not tonight. But it's all busting, man. It's all good. It's good. The knuckles, I will leave them for like a deshelled boil, or if I'm making pasta, I just throw them in. But yeah, these knuckles, I'll leave them back. Yep, I do. Most people say, Chrissy wastes the crab leg, or she leave the piece of crab leg. No, man. Next day I'm making like a pasta Alfredo. Make some Alfredo sauce with some noodles and toss the pieces in with some shrimp for my son and family. Yep. Ooh, girl. Jesus. Yo. Ooh, I'm talking a lot tonight. I am. When it's juicy, man. Messing this up a guan. Candy is my boss. Clear truth. Candy is boss, mama. I think I did good. I did good, ma'am. The sauce I'm doing tonight. I think I was extra with the sauce tonight. I made a whole pot of sauce. My son is back here. But this food, it's so good. Candy, what do you think? What do you think? Oh my goodness, Musscle! For candies, I did good. I did good. I'm so full. And you guys know that potato is not a friend of mine. It's in the family, but it's not my friend. Look at this. Woo. This was it. The seafood boil was it. No question asked. Hands down. Fine shrimp. Is it? Why? I'm going for you. Got my belly full. If my belly full, full belly full. But candies, if you're in the comment section tomorrow or whenever, let me know if you please, okay? My girl left for though. So, as I always say, take care, be safe, bye-bye. Bye, guys.